Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with atbbq.com, and today I want to show you the Pulcinella Wood-Fired Oven by Clementi. The Clementi Pulcinella line of wood-fired ovens, it comes in 3 different sizes, starting with 60 by 60 centimeters, there's 80 by 60 centimeters, and 100 by 80 centimeters, which roughly translates to about 24 by 24 inches, 32 by 24 inches, or 40 by 32 inches. So there's an oven that's perfect for any size backyard. They also manufacture a built-in wood-fired oven, the family line by Clementi. The model that we're cooking on today is the 80 by 60 centimeter, which we find is the perfect size for a family to use for weeknight meals, but still has the space to serve gatherings of 20 or more, as you can easily cook 2 pizzas at the same time. The Clementi company was founded by Clementino Clementi in 1975. His passion for wood oven cooking led him to specialize in the manufacture of wood-fired ovens. 43 years later and going strong, Clementi continues to handcraft their wood-fired ovens for customers around the world. So let's get started with the most important part of any wood-fired oven, the airflow. The Pulcinella has a patented air intake system, which they call the Air Plus system. This draws air from the left side of the oven through these 2 intakes and into the combustion chamber through a series of evenly spaced holes to promote quick starts, clean combustion, and even cooking across the deck of the oven. To complement the Air Plus system, the oven door is fitted with a series of intake holes to allow you to manage oven temperature without suffocating the fire. Now this makes it a breeze to build, manage, and maintain temperatures in this oven, letting the cook focus on cooking rather than on managing temperature. And you'll find these air intake holes on both the standard stainless door or the optional upgrade glass door. The oven's interior is manufactured from stainless steel that is wrapped in insulation and finished with a powder-coated exterior. The floor begins with a layer of insulation and is then constructed from wood-safe refractory fire brick that ensures quick heat up and even cooking. Let's get this oven fired up. The first thing we're going to do is build a small tower with some kiln-dried oak logs. We'll stack these right in the center, kind of like Lincoln logs. Light them up. You can use fire starters or a torch, whatever you find most convenient. This stack will allow the air to flow through the center and get the fire going. Once these logs start to burn down, we'll push the fire off to the left side of the chamber with the wood grate. Close up the door and let it heat up. So in less than 30 minutes after moving that fire off to the side, we're well over 800 degrees on the ambient temperature. The deck has come up to over 600 degrees, and at those temperatures, we're gonna cook pizzas in no time. In fact, depending on the exact temperature, you'll probably get a pizza done between 90 seconds and 3 minutes. But you wanna make sure that you're taking the time to rotate that pizza as it cooks, because remember, the fire's only coming from one side, so you're gonna have to rotate your pizza to get even browning. Now, the top should be hot enough that it's going to brown the cheese, no problem. But if you want to finish it off with just a little extra crust, just lift that pizza up with the peel toward the dome, and the fire that's lipping over the top will brown it really fast. One of the other features that really set these Clementi ovens apart is the multi-cooking system. So essentially what you've got here is a cooking grate on an arm that swings into the oven and is elevated from the deck. Now this gives you a little more versatility so that you can cook items like chicken and vegetables. So when the pizza's cooked this fast, feeding a large gathering with the Clementi wood-fired oven makes it a truly simple affair. If you have any questions about this oven or any of the other products you see featured on this channel, please do not hesitate to get in contact with our team. And as always, you can check out atbbq.com for this Clementi oven and all of the other Clementis that we offer. That's atbbq.com, all things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.